fully automatic frozen French fries production line is made of 304 stainless steel. It consisting of cleaning and peeling equipment, French fries cutting equipment, blanching equipment, dewatering equipment, continuous frying equipment, de-oiling equipment, frozen equipment, packaging equipment. The whole line structure design is reasonable. The process is well made, safe, reliable, and high efficient. Potatoes are cleaned and peeled by peeling machine and cut into French fries by the cutting machine. The French fries enter the high-pressure bubble cleaner, and the mucus and starch on the surface of the fries are rinsed cleanly. The separator separates the short strips and debris to improve the finished yield. Preferably, French fries enter into the blanching machine, which blunting the oxidase in the French fries so that prevent the color browning. After vibrating the watering machine, flipping the air dryer, and it can remove water on the surface of the French fries. The watering French fries enter into the continuous frying equipment, which using the upper and lower double-layer mesh belt transmission. The process of frying French fries are controlled in the middle of the belt. It avoids the French fries floating and ensures that the production of the finished color bright, consistent taste. After vibrating the oiling machine, flipping the air dryer, and it can remove oil on the surface of the French fries and cool down the temperature of the French fries quickly. Quick freeze French fries after pre-cooling and entering into the freezer to make the French fries quickly frozen. It is easy to keep fresh storage for a long time. Packaging. The finished frozen French fries are quickly and accurately packaged by electronic weighing and then stored in the cold storage through the conveyor belt.
Years by providing its 3,000 clients from food production industry across 170 countries with its professional services and solutions. In South Asia, Gelgoog ice cream cone making machine have helped its clients newly add million-level productivity. In North America, Gelgoog nuts roasting and vegetable washing machine have helped clients reduce their labor costs tremendously. In West Africa, Gelgoog provide nuts processing and French fries processing equipment with industrialized solutions. In Europe, Gelgoog provided customized solutions to facilitate clients to produce individualized foods. Gelgoog has received many positive comments from clients through allying with reputable companies such as Unilever, Mengniu, Cargill for so many years, Hakin La 5-Star Chef, Hakin La Food Machinery, and Kanki Packaging Machinery, etc. Gelgoog owns its own independent scientific ice cream cones, cookies, spring rolls, etc., multi-production occasion pastry processing equipment, plus fruit and vegetable washing, drying, freeze-drying, fruit juice and fruit jelly processing, and other fruits and vegetables processing solutions. Based on customers' requirements, all food processing and packaging services of Gelgoog can be seasoning and ingredients, etc. In instant nuts processing, French fries processing, banana chip processing, dehydrated vegetable processing, ice cream cone processing, etc. Gelgoog always persists iterating techniques and constantly improving in the area of safety, reliability, low energy consumption, and green environmental production, which has widely earned customers' recognition and good word-of-mouth branding. It is well known that any first-class products originated not only from scientific designs and superior techniques, but also from lean management in all production steps and details. Gelgoog engineers will provide professional and individualized designing solutions in accordance with customers' needs. As soon as the order is received, Gelgoog will engage in detailed production plans, full visualized production, selecting fine raw materials suppliers in order to ensure product quality right from beginning. Gelgoog insists on selecting global famous brands such as ABB, Siemens, Omron, Schneider, etc. as its spare parts and component suppliers. Gelgoog strictly selects production simpler and safer.